Where did the name Philippines came from?
Spain? Spain?
Wrong!
Philip. Plus Pilipinas.
Wrong!
Alam ko yan. Nasa Intramuros yan. Philip the second.
Correct! AU is the abbreviation of which element?
Aluminum? Aluminum?
Wrong!
Helium?
Wrong!
Silver? Silver.
Wrong!
Gold! Gold!
Correct! How many states does USA have?
Madami siguro yan. 45. 45.
Wrong!
50? 50?
Correct! What is another name for the center of an earthquake?
Epicenter? Epicenter?
Correct! What do you call a group of lions?
Group of lions. Pack? Pack?
Wrong!
Wait. No. Herd? Herd?
Wrong!
Pride?
Correct! What continent is Japan in?
Asia. Asia.
Correct! The four angles in a rectangle add up to how many degrees?
360 degrees.
Correct! Amazing! Ang galing din nila. What is the summer capital of the Philippines?
Boracay? Boracay?
Wrong!
Baguio, Baguio?
Correct! What country is Taj Mahal located?
India? India?
Correct! Last question. What is the name for an expert in ecosystem?
Ecologist.
Correct! Alright! Okay guys, ano mga pangalan nyo?
Elise po.
Sa'yo?
Ashriel po.
Alright, thank you guys!